As part of Mega Fave numbers, I'll be showcasing the number 5,113,380,864, a number that could lead to first contact. Firstly, some context. In 1977, the Voyager space probes were launched to explore the outer planets. Because the probes were expected to travel past the outer limits of the solar system, the possibility of them being discovered by extrasolar life was considered. Thus, the Voyager Golden Record was created, and stored on it are images describing the universe, Earth, and humanity, and sounds of language and music all around the world. Since aliens most likely won't know how vinyl records work, the record came in an engraved cover describing how to extract its contents. At the bottom right, there is a diagram that, quote, illustrates the two lowest states of the hydrogen atom. The vertical lines with the dots indicate the spin moments of the proton and electron. The transition time from one state to the other provides the fundamental clock reference used in all the cover diagrams and decoded pictures. This transition time is 7.040241,83674 times 10 to the negative 10 seconds. The diagram at the top left illustrates how fast the operator should spin the included needle in units of this transition time. The number, decoded from binary, is the titular 5,113,380,864. Multiplying this by the transition time leads to a revolution time of 3.599 seconds, or around 16 and 2/3 revolutions per minute. I believe this graphic is an ingenious work of humanity, because if an intelligent enough alien comes across this record, they'll be able to decipher the iconography and see us as a species understanding of how the world works. And that's why I love the number 5,113,380,864.